Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use WhatsApp on PC. Here are the steps to use WhatsApp on a Windows PC. First, start your Windows PC. Wait until it fully loads and reaches the desktop. Launch your web browser. Use any browser you like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Navigate to the official WhatsApp site. Type www.whatsapp.com/download. Click the Download for Windows button in the top right, and ensure you select the correct version, if there's any. Wait for the setup file to download. The file is usually named WhatsApp setup.x. Run the downloaded file. File it in your Downloads folder or click it from the top right of your browser. Then hit Open, followed by Get Started. Let WhatsApp install. Installation begins automatically after running the setup. Open WhatsApp Desktop. It might open on its own or find it in the Start menu. Open WhatsApp on your phone. On your Android, tap the three-dot menu, then tap the QR code, then go to Scan Code. Your phone's camera will open. Ready to scan. Scan the QR code on your PC screen. Then tap Link a device to confirm. Your chats will now sync. Once linked, you can use WhatsApp directly on your desktop. Wait for your chats to load. Messages and contacts will appear on your PC screen. Start messaging from your PC. Click on Contacts, type, and send messages just like on your phone. Send photos, documents, and voice notes by using the paperclip icon and the chat window to send photos and videos, etc. Log out when done. Click the profile icon in the bottom left on WhatsApp web or desktop app. Then finally, click on Log Out to log out your account. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.